Hey everybody, it's Marcy, and I wanted to drop by real quick and show you the progress I've made on my February Fabric Junk Journal challenge, challenge hosted by DearJulieJulie. And what I've got done so far is I took the cover of a hardback book to make my fabric cover, and I've got paper on the inside. I have made a tassel as part of a mini challenge. I think I'm going to need to bulk my tassel up a little bit. I'll just need to be careful. The fabric and the lace won't be a problem, but I'll need to use just these beads and stuff so that I don't change what was allowed for the mini challenge. I've started making charms for the second mini challenge, and so these are the charms that I've made. I apologize if my voice gets squeaky or if I cough. I've been sick and I'm still recovering, so I want to apologize in advance. Those are the 6 charms I've made thus far. I can make 4 more, which I'm going to try to get done by Friday the 15th. Then I went ahead and made 4 fabric tags. These 2 I think are done. These I will need to embellish a little more, but I've got my 4 fabric tags done. Then one of the other requirements was 2 fabric pockets or tucks, and I will be using this as it will actually be 2 fabric pockets, but I'll be using that for one of my 2 fabric pockets, and then I will be using this. You can see I've got buttons holding it right there. Once I get it into the journal, I'll be gathering the threads to ruffle the fabric, and that'll be a ruffle pocket. What else have I done? I've made my 2 fabric edges. This will be one of them. Again, it's got strings attached. I'll be pulling to ruffle the fabric once I've got it in place. And where's my other fabric edge? My other fabric edge, using 9 of the fabrics that I'm using in the journal. It will actually go like that. And I'll be using this for my fabric flip. It's ready to go. And I made a fabric covered envelope. So I've got, on my list of 15 fabric functions, I've got my fabric cover, I've got my 2 different fabric pockets or tucks, I've got 4 different tags, a fabric flip, 2 different fabric edges, I've got 4 embellishments, and I've got these little flowers, and I've got the envelope, and then these tags and charms that I've made for the mini challenge. All of them have fabric on them. That one has fabric beads. Excuse me. So I think the only thing I don't have yet is my fabric page for my journal. but I'm getting there. Little by little, I am making progress. So anyway, that's it. I just wanted to stop by, and I've been a little slow in getting any progress videos out because I've been sick. So I wanted to stop real quick and just show you what I've been up to. Anyway, talk to you later. Bye-bye.